Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I am at St Peters. To start off with, we have a Liverpool via Bankstown service departing platform number 2. That was M9 and M13. While I'm waiting for the next train, next to platform 1 there is a disused platform. If anyone has any information about the disused platform, can you please let me know in the comments, please? I don't know if it was like sort of an unfinished platform or it used to be a working platform. I'm not too sure, so if anyone could let me know, it would be much appreciated. Thank you. That was T27 and T39 through platform 3 bound for Bondi Junction. That's M22 leading a City Circle service, and that is on platform 1. M29 trailing. We have another Bondi Junction bound Tangara about to pass through platform 3. T8 leading. And T51 trailing. That's T75 and T12 through platform 4. That's K68 leading a City Circle service out of platform number 1. Excuse the wind, guys, I'm trying to block it out as much as possible. With K63 trailing. This next stop will be Erskineville. That's H28 through platform 4 bound for the south coast. And we're going to Kiama. Liverpool via Bankstown service, M5 leading into platform 2. M26 is trailing that service. Bondi Junction service about to pass through platform 3. T33 leading. T45 trailing. No idea what the front 4 cars are, but the rear 4 cars, T9, passing through platform 4. Any of the trains passing through platform 4, I'll have no idea where they're going, but well, they will be going to either Cronulla, Waterfall, Hurstville, Sutherland, or something like that. But yeah, I'm not sure of the exact destinations, as Tangara's destination screens do not work. Yeah, the main thing That's T102 and T61 bound for Bondi Junction. City Circle service arriving into platform number 1, A55. Alrighty, while waiting for everybody to get off the Waratah and waiting for it to depart, a little fun fact about the rear 4 cars of that Tangara you just saw, T61. Last year it derailed in Waterfall Yard, and it looked pretty nasty, but there was no real major damage. Let's wait for someone to walk past the Waratah so I can safely turn the camera around. There you go. The Waratah stopping pattern will be Erskineville, Redfern, Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall. There we have T121, which is XG21, and T67 through platform 4. And here we have M22 leading a Birrong service via Sydenham into platform 2.
Doors closing, please stand clear.
It's actually a Lidcombe service. It just says Birrong on the desto. It'll stop all stations to Birrong, then Regent's Park, Baralla and Lidcombe. With M29 being the rear 4 cars. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all so much for watching, much appreciated. Goodbye for now.